Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to give you all a Nykaa haul. So I'm going to show you all what basically I shopped from Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, and I shopped a lot. I mean, a lot. Like you can, it's going to be it is going to be a really long haul. So just keep something to eat or drink, and let's get started. Is this Laneige lip balm kit. Never tried Laneige lip balms ever. So this was my first time trying this, and oh my god, like this lip balm is so good. Like I have applied this. I am using basically this tub, and I have used it, and रात में मैं इसको लगा के सोती हूँ, and सुबह तक मेरा lips इतना hydrated और plump होता है. So that is the best thing about it. So basically this just comes with two lip balms and one tub lip balm. ये इतना छोटा सा lip balm आता है इसके साथ. सो आई हैव जस्ट केप्ट इट. आई हैवंट ओपनड इट हियर बिकॉज के लिए ये वाला बेस्ट है क्योंकि घर पे आप हमेशा इसको यूज कर सकते हो. सो आई थिंक दिस वन इज रियली गुड इफ यू आर एट होम एंड यू वांट टू यूज इट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट दिस वन for at home, and I'm just going to keep those in my purse or in my bag so that whenever I go out I might use it. का जो आप सिंगल प्रोडक्ट लोगे उससे ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट, स्पेशली द लिप केयर किट में ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट होगा और आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा प्राइस मिल सकता है उसका. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट I kept in my mind while shopping for the kit. I've also ordered this Laneige glazed donut lip balm as well. So, and I'm the shade called Peach Glaze, and this is also my first time trying this. I have heard so many reviews. This was so much hype, and I like this cushiony applicator. This is so cushiony. There's so much of a shine, and it looks so good. And this has just given a lot of shine and made my lips so juicy. So I like this, and I also like this shade. So I have very high hopes from this. Another lip balm that I bought is this Dot and Key Melty Lip Balm. This is I guess a new launch from Dot and Key, and इसका एक और शेड मैंने मंगाया और मैंने उसको यूज़ किया, एंड आई टोटली फेल इन लव विद द शाइनी. और इसके बस दो शेड है. एक ये शेड दैट इज इन द शेड स्ट्रॉबेरी ग्लेज, अनदर वन इन डिफरेंट शेड, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड बेरी क्रैम्बल. I have used this like जिस दिन आया उसी दिन मैंने इसको यूज़ किया. Makes your my lips look so shiny, and it has good tint, and that is something that I really look for a lip balm. This does the job. I'm yet to use this, and I'll share the review very shortly with you all. Got a lot of new launches because मैंने लास्ट के 6 या 7 महीने से मैंने नायका से कोई शॉपिंग नहीं की थी, और उस बीच में बहुत सारी चीज़ें लॉन्च हो गई, एंड आई हैड टू परचेज some of these in order to show this to you all and make a video about it. So that's why I have purchased all these. Moving on to the next, this is something that I have repurchased. This is a Dot and Key strawberry tinted sunscreen, and it has SPF 50. I have used it. 01 Proclaiming, ये मेरा shade पहले था, and this is something that I use when I want my skin to look glowy and light. ये थोड़ा lighter shade है मेरे skin के हिसाब से, but it just fits so perfectly to me, and इसलिए मैंने ये shade लिया. I know this is a lighter shade, so I also bought another shade for this, and this is in the shade called 03 Sand. ये भी same है. I have used this just matches perfectly to my shade. Like I will not say perfectly, एक shade थोड़ा सा dark लगता है और ये थोड़ा light लगता है, so I'm just confused in between these two, so I bought both of these. ये भी equally, like if I just want to go with this and I don't want to put any base or something, I will use this, and so that's why I purchased both of it, and I think it's a good deal. But दोनों की packaging मुझे बहुत ही different लग रही है. I don't know why. So yeah, that's that. On to the next product. I bought this Fleeka Silk Touch Milk Cream Moisturizer. I have also heard a very good review about it. देखिए अगर आप इसको use कर लोगे before your makeup, you don't need any stop cream or any highlighter, and I agree. I literally agree to it because I have used this once in one of my makeup video, and मेरा skin एकदम shine कर रहा था. It was literally, my skin was reflecting light, and I was like, what is this product? So it's a good product. I like इसमें ज़्यादा off नहीं था. Around I guess 800 के around ये मिला, but considering the quantity, I like this, and this is something that I will not use on regular basis. I'll keep using my Bioderma moisturizer. I've just kept it for my makeup. Like whenever I'm going to put on makeup, I'm going to use this because I like glowy makeup. So that's why I have purchased this, and I think this is a really good product. This is another skincare product that I have invested in this time, and this is from Caudalie, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Caudalie Paris, and this is a clay mask. और इस clay mask के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना था that it is a really great clay mask. Like if you will use it, it just makes your skin so smooth and your pores look less visible, and I have used this as well. Like अभी what सावित्री से एक दिन पहले मैंने इसको यूज़ किया and अगले दिन my skin was so good, really very fair with you all. उस दिन मैंने ये भी यूज़ किया, उसके बाद मैंने राइस मास्क यूज़ किया और फिर मैंने कोलाजन का शीट मास्क भी यूज़ किया था. So I am not sure like how this is going to perform like alone. So I will try it again. Like I'm going to try it for more than 2 or 3 times, and then I'm gonna come up with a good proper review. So the next thing that I bought is this K Beauty Hydro Glow Tinted Sunscreen. It has SPF 40 PA++, and it has also hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Actually, I wanted to try this from the K Beauty because I am actually kind of impressed with K Beauty products and the products they are actually coming out with. So I wanted to purchase something to check for myself. So that's why I purchased this, and I hope that this is as good as I am thinking. Product में आधा से ज़्यादा air था, so this is something that has pissed me off because I just used one pump of this and ये already पिचक चुका है. So this is that's that, and other than that I like it. It has performed really well into my skin. So yeah, move on to the another product from the K Beauty, and this is their viral jelly blush wand. And I particularly bought this shade that is called iced latte because I was really excited to try this out. I have applied it right now, and this is so good. It just gives you that perfect natural flush of color. And I bought in the shade called iced latte. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is this Lakme multi stick contour. Started using contour on day-to-day basis, and I like this one, and it was pretty reasonable, and I actually like this. The shade is also pretty good, and I'm the shade called natural neutral medium, and I have also applied this, and this was so good. Like it's creamy, it blends perfectly into my skin. And what else you need from a contour? So something that is really affordable in my new era of trying contour and bronzers. So that's that. This is e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick wand. I basically purchased it for my blush. Like I really like I have seen this and this is so creamy, and the product pigment is a lot. Like when you are going to swatch it, you are going to get a lot of product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer it onto my blush one. I'm going to use it like this, and this is just going to give me a really nice flush of colors. So that's why I bought it. I actually wanted to try this one, and I have seen in someone's video, and that's why मुझे try करना था, and I am liking it. It also gives you a really good flush of colors, that perfect sunburn effect. This is something that you are going to get with it, and it is, it's basically they say it multi-stick, so you can also use it as an highlighter and a blush together. So okay, so moving on to the next product, and this is basically a repurchase. This is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I have had that, एंड उसको मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से यूज किया. मैं पूरा खत्म नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज वो एक्सपायर हो गया. So I wanted to buy another one because this is such a good product. Like these products do not need any kind of hype or any kind of explanations. People are already talking about this on internet. It's give you such a good coverage and it's blends so seamlessly. So that's why I got my hands on this concealer. I'm in the shade called 308 Vanilla. So yeah, that's that. The next blush that I bought is from Kiro, and this is also something that I wanted to try it out. And मेरे से गलती हो गई, मैंने इसका दो पैकेट ऑर्डर कर लिया, like दो products ऑर्डर हो गए गलती से, and I have to return this. So yeah, but I like the shade. Like look at this shade; it's so nice, and this is also really very pigmented. I do not have space on my hand to show you all basically, but like look at it. You can clearly see the shade. It's so good, and it is also that perfect orangish nudish shade for your blush. And I like those kind of shade because in summer you actually need to look all sunburned and all. So that's why I purchased this. And by mistake, मेरे को दो order मैंने कर लिए. So probably I'm going to keep one and return another. And if return nahi hota hai, तो I might give it in a giveaway. And yeah, there's going to be a giveaway really, really very soon. So stay tuned for that as well. On to the another blush that I bought is from Prosh. It is also a jelly blush stick, and मैंने इसके बारे में भी बहुत कुछ सुना था और मुझे ये भी ट्राई करना था. मैंने अभी तक कोई भी जेली ब्लश और ये एक्सपाइरी चीजें यूज नहीं की. Oh my god, ये कितना ठंडा है. This actually feels like jelly और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा ठंडा है. And the shade is so good. मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा ठंडा लगा इसको यूज करने में. And oh my god, the pigment is so good. And I just applied a little bit of it and looked at the color effect that it has given. And I know I'm looking like I don't know what. Like I have applied so many blush on my cheeks, but Every shades look so good. So yeah, that's that. Now moving on to the next blush, because how many blush is too many blush? I don't know. Next blush that I bought is from Cuffs and Lashes, and ये थोड़ा उसका मुझे कॉपी लगता है शी ग्लैम का, but इसको मैंने already use कर रखा है, and the shade is actually really nice. I have used it, and it also gives you that perfect flush of color that you need, not too much, not less. So I like this one as well. That is it for the blush. I know I have bought too many blushes. Like if I will count, one, two, three. नहीं, मैंने 5 blush मंगाया है, just 5 blush, and I already have a lot. So for me, how many blush is too much? I don't know. Now moving on to the next product, I have bought this. This is from Stage 929 All Eyes on You mascara. This is basically a tubing mascara because मेरे पास जितने सारे mascara है वो सारे waterproof हैं और मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा मौत आती है अब उसको निकालने में. So I thought of, why not let's just try one tubing mascara. So I got this one because I heard a good review about it, and this is very affordable. I'm just going to quickly apply it and show you all. Uh, I know lashes feel a little bit wet, so I'm just going to give it some time. It looks so natural and it has given that lift to my lashes. So I like this one. Next thing that I bought, and that is so not me, is kajal. Like I had never ever bought a kajal intentionally, but this time I bought it, and I bought in two different nude shade. I bought two kajal from Mars, and this is one in white color. It's called iceberg shade, and another one is in the nude beige color kajal, and that is called sand dunes. And I had never ever bought a kajal, never applied a kajal. Even मैंने अपनी शादी में काजल नहीं लगाया था, but मैंने सुना है कि white kajal से आपकी eyes enhance हो जाते हैं. So I'm going to try it right now with your. Oh my god, it actually makes a lot of difference because I can clearly see a difference. इससे इसमें मेरी आंखें कितनी ज्यादा बड़ी लग रही हैं, और ये, oh my god, it just opens up my eyes and my eyes look so big now. कितनी बड़ी मेरी आंखें लग रही हैं. I actually bought this to try it out. Like, it does it actually makes a difference in your eyes, and I'm shocked. I'm surprised. This is my eyes, and it looks so beautiful. Like this. I'm yet to try out this one. I will see, like, I'll make a proper review video of all this. So stay tuned for that. But happy with the purchase. And also ये Mars का है तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable होता है. And Mars has a lot of different shades of kajal, and it's good. Okay, so we're gonna start with the lip liner. So the very first thing that I bought is this set of 10 Mars के lip liner, and it is of the set B. I already have set A, जिसमें मतलब ज़्यादा nude colors नहीं थे, like brownish dark shades नहीं थे. But set B has really some of the really nice shade in it, so perfectly and so brown coated, and I really like brown lip liners. So I had to invest in this, and like around 600 में मुझे ये पूरे मिल गए, और शायद उससे कम में ही मिले हैं. And I have 10 lip liners, you guys. So it's a steal deal. Always buy Mars lip liner because A, they are really pigmented, and B, they are so cheap and really of good quality. I have another one like ये इस पैक का नहीं है, but I'm just gonna swatch it out for you all. Like, can you see the pigment? It is so good. So like मेरे पास ये already ये set से अलग था, but I had to try out the entire shade. So I just got my hands on this. So moving on to the next lip liner, I bought these two from the Maybelline. It is the Maybelline Lifter liner, and this is also really very pigmented, but it's quite kind of costly, but have seen a lot of good review about it. But can you check the shade? Like, it's matching with my Mehdi color, but it is also equally pigmented, and I'm going to, swatch it some other day on my lips. I'm going to show you all, but I'm kind of happy with my purchase because both of the shades are so nice and so pigmented. So I like that, and I already have a red color lip liner of this exact range, and that is also really very creamy. That just sits on my lips so nicely. Is really buttery smooth. So this shade is in 02 Let's Bound, shade called 03 Player. And trust me guys, इसके भी lip liner की shades काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, but since it was costly and I am used to Mars ke lip liners, so I didn't want to invest so much into these lip liners, so that's why I just bought two shades of it. To the next product, and this is a new launch by L'Oreal. This is basically their, lip stain serum. Bought all these shades because A, it looks so pleasing to my eyes, and B, I wanted to try it out and make a video of it. Only thing that I don't like is इतना ज़्यादा sticker क्यों लगा देते हैं ये लोग, मुझे नहीं समझता. To try this shade, it is called Nude Espresso. What you're supposed to do is you just need to apply it and leave it for a few minutes, and then just rub it out off, and then you want to see that what kind of stain it actually gives. So I'm actually excited to try all of the shade. So the first shade is obviously this Nude Espresso that I have applied, and I thought कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा dark होगा, but it is going perfect with my lips. So happy about that. Next shade that I have is Tea Time, and the another one is called, it's in the shade called 521. So I have all these three shades, and I'm really excited to try out all of these. Okay, so now moving on to the next product, and Stage 929 Gloss Lock 2-in-1 liquid lipstick, and it says that it is color and transfer proof, and it is basically a lipstick and a lip gloss together, and it has that perfect, it is really perfect brown lipstick for me, and I have applied it and I really liked it, and it actually stays for a long time. So I have used it and I love it, and I'm the shade called 04 I'm Shy. That I actually got is from Elf. This is their Elf lip plumping pen. I have seen that on Elf ka website, and I was actually buying few of its products, so I thought I should buy one as well, because it was on just on buy one and get one. But I like the shade. Like, okay, last lip product is from Elf. This is their Elf Pro Reviver Lip Oil. I already have one lip oil, and that is actually in the shade called, what is the shade? Honey Talks. But I wanted to try another shade, and that shade is actually not with me, so I wanted to try out another shade, and I like this. This is so good. And I am in the shade called Jam Session, and I really love it. I'm going to make a separate video where I'm going to swatching all of my lip care products, all my lip oils, all my lipsticks and everything, like all the things that I love in one separate video. But I like this and really excited to try this out. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it just gives you that perfect glossy finish. So I like this, and it also makes your lips look more hydrating, and it actually hydrates your lips. Okay, now we're gonna remove this. Does leaves a really good stain, and I like it. So yeah, that was it from there. This is a restock. I bought this L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture um, conditioner because I like using this. I only use this range of shampoo and conditioner, so I wanted to purchase a bigger bottle. So I just got my hands on this. And the next thing that is also really essential is a Dove body wash. ये वाला variant मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I haven't used it yet because मुझे ये video बनाना था. Now I have made this video. I'm going to keep this in my bathroom because, और मैंने बड़ा वाला bottle लिया because सस्ता पड़ता है guys, इसलिए मैंने ये बड़ा वाला bottle लिया, and I'm liking this. It makes your skin look so, it just cleans your bodies very nicely, and I don't know what much to say about it. Like, your body smells so good. So that's that. This product is from Redken. It is their leave-in conditioner. I actually love this conditioner because it just makes my hair look so, soft and less frizzy, and I have just used it once, and I like the after effect of it. Hair care product that I bought is this Dove 10-in-1 peptide bond strength conditioner, like hair mask. This is something that I like to use once in a week. So yeah, that for that I have bought this. What much to say about it, just makes your hair look so hydrated and well nourished, and it is really important to use hair mask once in a week, so your hair should look more healthy, put together, and not frizzy. Another product that I bought, and that was kind of splurge, and it is one of the most expensive products from all, and this is their Versace Crystal Noir perfume. Haven't opened it yet, but I wanted to buy it for so long. I finally bought it, and I'm yet to open this, and I know how I have resisted myself to open it and smell it, because I wanted to shoot a like, because I wanted to shoot an Instagram video of it. So इसलिए मैंने इसे अभी तक खोला नहीं, but मेरी जान जा रही है और आज मैं इसको खोलूंगी. Or the reason why I haven't opened it because मेरे nails paint नहीं थे, so इसलिए मैंने इसे खोला नहीं. But today I'm going to just open it and I'm gonna film a video about it. So, and I'm gonna come up with a review of it, like how it smells and everything. Got quite a few freebies. So the very first one is this Kiro Kajal I got, like pretty basics from all the products that I bought from Kiro. The next thing that I actually got is this K Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipsticks in the shade called Retro. This is the shade that I got as a freebie in K Beauty, and I think I'm going to like the shade. Yeah, it's that deep maroon shade. I might going to pass this to my mom, because that I got is this Stage 9 to 9 love triangle 3-in-1 lipsticks basically. So basically this is just one of those lipstick that went viral at a time, where you are going to get two different shades and दोनों shade को मिला करके एक नया shade बन जाता है. So it's that basically. So what is this? This is from Dot & Key Skincare Strawberry Bright face serum. I am going to try this. Have heard a really good review about it. Something that I got as a freebie. It is again from the Redken, and it is a sample product. It is basically their acidic bonding concentrate conditioner. So like really excited to try this out. And yeah, so that was it. I know it was a pretty long video again. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video, and if you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay positive. Bye bye.